Hello everyone, I hope you all are good, and this is the second part of unboxing vlog set from AliExpress. If you haven't seen the first part, you may go and check it here. As you can see here, I have placed all the parts of vlog set, and this is the main vlog set handle. You can adjust its degree by pressing this button, and this is the main phone holder. You can place your phone over here and it holds very tightly. And as you can see here, there are two screws over here. We have to rotate and fix it with the stand holder. And over here you can see a circular die. We have to rotate it to make it tight. And as you can see here, with this position you can keep your phone horizontal. In this position the phone will be placed horizontally, and if you want to change its position, you have to make it loose and rotate it like this, so that now you can see here we can place our phone vertically. And after rotating its position, as you can see here, if we want to hold this stand like this, this must be changed, so we can lose it. And as you can see here, there is one more screw on the bottom. We will fix it from this side. So like this we have to make it and adjust its position and make it tight. So this is how it looks, and now the phone can be placed horizontally. Let me place it. And this is how we have to fix our phone in the holder. Wow, so it looks nice. And after this, the second thing is to fix the flashlight, and I will show you that this flashlight is being placed over here. But before that, I will insert batteries, and let me open it. So this is AA 1.5 volt power battery cell, and I will insert this. Let me fix this second one, and I will close this. And soon we will check how is the brightness of this flashlight. So by pressing this button, 1, 2 and 3, so there are three modes of brightness. And we will have to place this flashlight over here in this gap. So let me fix it, and by screw we have to tight it. We have to rotate and make it tight. Okay, so it's done. And third thing is that we have to fix this microphone. There is also a gap over here, and as you can see there is opening. We will fix this microphone in this gap. Well, let me rotate it to make some gap. Okay, so as you can see I placed this over here, and we have to rotate this to make it tight, and now it's tight. So it's done and fixed. Wow. And after this we will have to connect this microphone from this cable, and here it goes. And this is earphone jack, which I will try to fix with my phone, but as you can see here it's very loose, we can't connect directly. So I will use this connector. This is earphone to USB-C port connector, and I will insert this to USB-C port. So guys, this is how it looks after assembling everything, and as you can see it looks quite good. And over here you can see I have changed its connector. Why? Because the white connector which came along with this is not working, so I had an extra one, so I fixed that one. So after this I will also open its legs and I will show. So this is how it looks after opening its legs. And from this microphone I will do some recording to show you what are its capabilities and does it reduce noise or not. So here it is, I have opened the voice recorder and I will do two recordings from this microphone. One will be holding from 1 meter apart, and in the second recording I will hold it closer to our mouth. So let's hit the start button and we will record it. I will show you the results soon, and this first one is done. Now I will record it holding closer to our mouth. So let's hit the start button and record it. So I speed forward the recordings and I will show you the result over here in this list. As you can see here on top, this is the second one which I recorded holding closer to our mouth. Let me play it. Hello everyone, how are you all? Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more AliExpress shopping experience. And this voice recording is being done holding closer to our mouth. And let's play the second one. Hello everyone, I hope you're enjoying this video. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more AliExpress shopping experience. Thank you. So as you heard, the voice recordings are not so good. The voice recording quality is not so good, but it reduces the noise up to some extent, and we can speak louder to record it very well. Well, what we can expect at such a cheap price, so this vlog set is fine enough to start our vlogging journey. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more AliExpress shopping experience. Thanks for watching.